All right. No way. I just casted this thing in there with a worm the size of a, I don't even know, like a Tic Tac, and I got one. All right, I gotta go. This is just getting ridiculous. Look at this thing. Well, at least he took the worm, so now I officially have to go. Well, that was one heck of a fun day. They're biting it. You got a real worm on it? Yeah. Ooh, there we go. There we go, baby. Yeah. Man. See, this fool just got stuck. Oh yeah, I'm stuck on a branch or something.
With him?
Yep. Dang it, dude. It's just my luck. Let him swim away, I guess.
Try to do the snap thing.
Dang it, that sucks. Dude, it is stuck. There we go. I think he got off though. Ah, he did. There we go. I ain't letting you get stuck. Come on, Bubba. Woo! There it is. Nice. It's a good looking fish right there. Ooh, doggy. Stop it. Quit it. There we go. That's what we're looking for right there. White striped bass. Look at that. All right, buddy. Get back in there. Look at him swim off. Man, those are cool. He's got one on right now. There we go. Look at him. Yeah.
Another striper.
Man, they're good looking fish, huh?
Stab me.
All right. Nice one. See if we can get a 2 for 1. Where are you at? Dang, dude, that thing goes far. There we go.
For some reason, they're all on that channel right there. See? I got another one.
There it is.
They're all on that channel.
Then you got to reel them up quick because of all the branches that are here they get stuck on.
Yeah.
Oh, he's a little guy.
It's the smallest one I've gotten.
It's a good looking fish though.
I like how their mouths are big enough for us to...
Yeah. Look at that little guy.
Little guy.
All right, I'm getting some nibbles.
It's cool because you use the same bait like 3 or 4 times.
Come on. Again? I think I'm too far north. Either that or my worm fell off.
These things are freaking funny,
There it is.
A little bit bigger one.
Nice.
Woo! 3 in a row. Within like 5 minutes.
Oh. Here we go. Boom! Got him.
You're back in the day.
Come on. Come on. Heck yeah. It's gonna get cold again. Look at him. Boom! Dude, so, oh, he got, that's why I'm like, why is he, I got him right in the belly. I was like, he's swimming weird. Look at that, dude, right in the belly. Open your mouth. Come on, open up. Open up so I can get it out. Oh, he ain't opened his mouth for me. Ugh. Shoot.
Got a flopper.
Alright. Well, there he is, but let's get him back in. So, there you go. Sorry, dude. I didn't want to hook you right there. Let's go get another worm. Derek's gonna pull one in right now. Finally, so just warm enough to start feeding. Oh, there it is.
Got the big boy. Well, he's a biggie.
Is it?
At least he feels like he's bigger than the other ones. Fighter for sure.
Let's see.
He's probably about the same. Or, like I said,
Man, it's a good looking fish. Look at that.
a tad bit bigger.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
I like how they have purple in their mouth.
Too bad we put him back because it'd be a good night eating.
Yeah. That has a little sore on it.
Dude, for Valentine's Day, I bought snow crab legs from Sam's Club.
Those are bomb. I did this. That's the legs I bought for the boil.
So I steamed them in Sierra Nevada beer and water with a bunch of creosol and there we go, and a bunch of seasoning. Oh, I let go. Dude, they came out so good.
That's where I got them last time.
Something about steaming them with beer and water made them even sweeter. Dang, dude. I had that one.
This spot is so cracking right now. I think
fun.
ever since the
Let me see if I still got my worm.
yeah, this is the spot. This is where I catch everything. All the drums.
Here we go, here we go. Peck, peck, peck. Peck, peck. Come on, commit to it, baby. Peck, peck. Ooh. Ah. Pulled a little too soon.
Did I get him? I can't tell if he's on there or not. I pulled up big turtles over here too. Like really big turtles.
Come on. Come on, baby. Run with it.
He took my worm. He took my big perm.
There we go. Got him, baby. Ah! That's what I'm talking about. Look at him coming up. Look at him. Yes, sir. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. And you're welcome. You can have the worm too. Hey, hey. Oh, hold on. Quit it. Quit it. Quit it. Quit it. I'm going to put you back. Let's get a little look at you. Look at him. He's a little guy. All right, buddy. There he goes. They almost look blue in the water.
Yeah, when they take off.
Yeah.
Like big bluegill.
So cool.
Oh, here we go.
Get some more worm. You got one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take it off.
I love that sound.
No, no. He'll get it again. You just gotta let it sit and he'll chase it. Yep. There he is. Followed it.
Me and Steph are going to Destin, Florida in 2 weeks.
Nice. That's what we're trying to do. A couple months, but
It's not bad, dude. Like, if you just stay somewhere cheap, like Holiday Inn, $200 a night, it's okay.
yep.
It'd be sweet to have one of these houses right here.
Yeah.
I hear the horses over there. While I'm-
They'll come right here and chill and eat in the grass and stuff. It's cool.
That's so cool.
They got donkeys over there too. There's these 2 pairs of ducks that always come up to me during lunch. I feed them. They'll eat out of my hands and stuff. It's cool. Maybe pulling it. Just take it.
Got him? That's right.
I'm learning to like snap it right when they hit it the first time. I see you.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. And I get to keep my
Oh, that's a
worm.
good one.
I get to keep my worm, big perm.
Got my perm worm. You know what's crazy?
For the camera.
There you go.
I like these little spots.
Yep.
That's where you determine how they really look.
I think if they're broken up like that, it means they're hybrid bass.
Hybrid. Yeah, these are hybrids.
The way we're fishing for these two, I wouldn't be surprised if you get a catfish.
Yeah, because they're next to them or lower than them. If you were to check it out a little bit further, it's a little bit deeper. But that group that we're catching is not out there. Here, watch. Let's do it farther. See if I can get.
What? I'm on something. Look at this. Dude, this feels... It's a big stick.
Yeah, because I was like,
why did that feel so big?
yeah, sometimes when you're reeling it in, I'm like, dude, what do I have? And it's a turtle. It ends up being a turtle.
Oh no, it sucked, dude.
And they're snapping turtles, so they got thick jaws. See, all you do is throw it out a little bit further and then not there. It's like that spot right there is the hot spot. I'm gonna drag it in. Yep, you're there. Dragged in about 5 feet.
Yep.
Right there.
They're right on the edge of the... I'm getting bites right now. Come on. Get him. Oh yeah, I got him. He's been on the whole time. I think I shocked him and he just stood there. I was like, what was that? That was weird.
Oh, he's a big guy.
Where did I get him? Oh, I got him good. Right in the kisser. All right.
Back to back. Back to back.
It's a hybrid kind of day, and I'm not talking about Prius.
Pre-hug.
There we go.
Why does this one seem like it's vital? Oh, he's a big
He's
one.
a chunky boy.
Yeah, he's a bigger one.
Oh yeah.
Nice size.
Man, that one's pretty. Look at all the yellow on its belly. Ooh, he's a fat boy.
Chunky monkey.
There we go.
There's a lot of purple.
That'll make a catfish nice and big.
Mine it's not even moving, it's just staying right there.
Yeah. It's weird, huh?
Yeah, this one will probably do the same thing.
Yeah, I called her on my way over here.
Hello? Hi.
Woohoo!
Probably 20 bass already.
Oh, look at this, Derek. Look, look, look.
No.
Look at
Come on, let's break.
Yeah.
Another one.
That's a big boy.
Yeah, yeah, it's like only supposed to be like maybe like an inch big. Send me a picture of it in your hand.
Look at that boy.
Yeah, I wanted it really small because even the coin that I was wearing for Shane, it felt heavy.
Got 'ems.
Oh, all right.
Oh no, it got stuck.
Because she's going to Bible study, right?
It's on there and it's stuck.
Brittany.
There we go. So crazy. Sorry, dude. I think I gave him a headache.
Here's your baby boys.
That ain't a fish. That's a stropper.
Oh, big one.
Oh, look at you.
It looked like it.
It looked big.
Not too much worm for you, Zach. I've been watching.
Dang. So cool, man. Look at the markings on that one. It's almost like they cut and pasted different fish on them.
Yeah, right? And that one perfect line. Yeah, these things are cool, dude. I think these are my favorite so far. I mean, of course, bad, big bad.
Let's see.
Oh, it's just it's a real.
Yeah, good looking.
Big guy. I didn't even know he's on there. It's 145.
We gotta get going.
Big boy. Hold on.
Let's see him.
It's a pretty one.
Oh,
Flopper.
all right. Call that a wrap?
Yeah.
That's right.
Been a good day.